Today we're going to talk about classifying different types of triangle. Our vocabulary for today is acute triangle, equilateral triangle, right triangle, obtuse triangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. Recall that a triangle is a polygon with three sides. Triangles can be classified in two ways, by their angle measure or by their side lengths. Every time we talk about a triangle, we'll be using that triangle symbol that's in parentheses. So here's our first triangle. AB, BC, and AC are the sides of triangle ABC. We label our triangles with that small triangle in front. A, B, and C are the triangle's vertices, or corners. Classifying triangles by angle measure, we have an acute triangle that has three acute angles and looks like this. So you have to have all three angles acute angles in order to have an acute triangle. Equiangular has three congruent angles, all equal to 60 degrees. A right triangle has one right angle and two acute angles, and looks like this. An obtuse triangle has one obtuse angle and two acute angles, and looks like this. Here we're going to classify triangle BDC by its angle measures. So the angle measures of BDC are 100 degrees, 10 degrees, and 70 degrees. Because B is an obtuse angle, B is an obtuse triangle. Let's look at this one. Triangle ABD has angles of 80, 20, and another 80. So this is a acute triangle because you have two 80-degree measures and one 20-degree measure. You can also class them by side lengths, which gives you an equilateral triangle with three congruent sides. Remember, those tick marks mean that they are congruent. Isosceles triangles have two congruent sides, and scalene triangles have no congruent sides. When you look at a figure, you cannot assume segments are congruent based on the appearance. They must be marked as congruent with those little tick marks. So let's look at triangle EHF, which is the one on the left, and we see that EF and HF are congruent, so EHF is isosceles. How about EHG? EHG has sides of 12, 11, and 14. Therefore, it's a scalene triangle. Go ahead and practice on your lesson quiz, and then we'll go ahead and do some more classifying tomorrow.